Hello students, everyone welcome back to your online classes. So today we will continue with the same topic, that is Up You Go. Take out page number 78. Group number 7. Group number 7 included girls from Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya and Nagaland. So she was the in charge of group 7, and in group 7 the girls were from different state. Okay, they are from Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya and Nagaland. I was the only teacher from Kendriya Vidyalaya in this group. So in group number 7 she was the only teacher who has come from Kendriya Vidyalaya. Okay, I was happy to meet my new group members. So she was very happy. Okay, she was overjoyed to meet her new members from different states. Okay, most of them could not speak Hindi well. So in group number 7, so most of the girls, they are not able to speak Hindi. I still feel bad that after being together for 21 days, I could not talk even once with Khondonbi from Mizoram. So Mizoram people, they speak Khondonbi. So being together with them for 21 days, but still she could not talk their language. Okay, so she was feeling very bad for them. Okay, she spoke only Mizo. So she spoke only Mizo language. Okay, but in our hearts we grew close to each other. But though they cannot talk their language, but still in heart they were good friends. Okay, tell, what do you think about the responsibilities of a group leader? So you have to think and tell. Okay, what will be the responsibilities of a group leader? Okay, then how much would you feel if you were made a leader in such a camp? So if somebody conducts a camp and he or she chooses you to be a leader, so being a leader, how do you feel? How you will feel, you have to write. Okay, what does a monitor in your class have to do? So in school also there will be monitor, right? So in your class also, if there is a monitor, so what is his or her duty? Okay, in the class, would you like to be the class monitor? Why? So question is asking that whether you like to become a class monitor or not. Okay, if you like, and you have to write, say yes. Okay, and you have to write the reasons that why you want to become a class monitor. So next subtopic is crossing the river. We got vitamin C, iron tablets and hot chocolate milk with our breakfast. So they were given vitamin C, iron tablets and hot chocolate milk in their breakfast. Why they got these things? Because it gives them strength. Okay, energy. These were given for strength and to keep us warm in the cold. So these things were given them in order to keep them warm in the cold, as well as they will get strength or energy from vitamin C, iron tablets and hot chocolate milk. Okay, every morning there would be a medical checkup. And every morning they used to have medical checkup. Okay, we tied our bandages and counted the days left. So tied means to fashion. Okay, attach or close by means of a tie. Okay, and bandages means a strip of woven material used to bind up a wound or to protect an injured part of the body. Okay, so they tied their bandages and they were counting the days left. Okay, after an 8-kilometer trek, we reached a river. So after walking for 8 kilometers, finally they reached a river. Okay, there was a thick rope tied across the river from one bank to the other. So in that river they saw a thick rope, okay, and which was tied to the other bank of the river. Okay, the rope was tightly fixed to pegs or pitons on both the sides. So these ropes were very tightly fixed, okay, on both the sides. I was feeling nervous, so she was feeling nervous. Okay, I started thinking what would happen if the rope came out. So she was feeling nervous, and she started to think that if the rope comes out, then what will happen. Okay, I was trying to estimate how wide the river was, and she was trying to find out the wide she was trying to find out how wide the river was. Okay, next page 79. Our instructor tied a rope around his waist and put a sling type of hook in it. So their instructor, as I already told you his name, Brigadier Gansing, their instructor also tied a rope around his waist, okay, and put a sling in it. Sling means and put a hook on it. Okay, he then put the sling on the thick rope tied across the river. Then he put that hook on the thick rope which was tied across the river. Walking through the icy water, he went to the other side. So there was icy river. Okay, you can see it here. So the instructor walked through this icy river and he went to the other side of the river. Okay, no one was ready to step into the fast flowing river. So no one was willing to get into the fast flowing river. Okay, because that river was flowing very fast. Okay, so no one was willing to get into the fast flowing river. Everyone was pushing each other to go first. So they were pushing each other to go first. I stood last in the line, hoping that no one would see me, and she stood at the last so that no one can see her. Okay, just then our instructor came near me with the sling and rope in his hands. But the thing is that the instructor came near to her along with a sling, that is hook and rope, in his hands. Okay, I knew there was no escape now. So now she cannot hide herself. Okay, because the instructor already came with the sling and rope. Okay, I was ready but did not have the courage. So though she was ready but she did not have the courage. Okay, so she did not have the courage means the ability to do something that frightens one. Okay, or bravery. Courage means bravery. Okay, Sir could guess my fear. So now the instructor came to know that now she is frightened. Okay, he called out loudly. Then the instructor called her loudly. Okay, in a loud voice. 3 chairs for Sangeeta madam. So her name is Sangeeta. Okay, Sangeeta. And Sir cheer up that 3 chairs for Sangeeta madam. And before I knew it, someone had gently pushed me into the water. And someone came and gently pushed her into the water, okay? I felt as if my feet were frozen. Now, she thinks that now her feet is frozen. Frozen means having turned into ice as a result of extreme cold, okay? I started shivering, my teeth were chattering, okay? So now now she started shivering. Shivering means shaking slightly and uncontrollably as a result of being cold, frightened or excited, okay? And chattering means here the chattering means her teeth, okay, about her teeth, okay, of a person's teeth that is click repeatedly together from cold or fear, okay? Sometimes when you feel too much cold, what happens? Your teeth also chatters, okay? I caught hold of the rope and started putting my feet firmly on the riverbed. So now she caught and she held the rope and now she started putting her feet firmly, okay? Firmly means with little possibility of movement, securely, okay? Firmly means securely. As I walked further in, the river got deeper and slowly the water reached up to my neck. So, as she was moving forward, what happened? The river was very deep, okay? Deep. And now slowly the water has come up to her neck, okay? In the middle of the river, I lost my balance and started slipping. Now balance means she lost her balance. Balance means an even distribution of weight enabling someone or something to remain upright and steady, okay? And started, so she was not able to control her balance. Because of that, she started slipping, okay? Slipping means failing to grip or make proper contact with a surface, okay, or the action or fact of sliding unintentionally for a short distance, okay? I was so scared and felt so cold that the rope slipped from my hands. Now she was so scared. Scared means frightened or petrified. She was petrified, and now she was feeling very cold, means very freezing, okay? Because she was afraid and she was also feeling cold, so because of that the rope was slipping from her hands. I started shouting for help. So now she began to shout for help, okay? I was sure I would be carried away by the river, and she was sure that now river will flow away, okay? Flow her away. She was thinking of that. But no, I found that I was tied with the rope to the sling. So, but she says no, because she has tied with the rope to the sling, okay? Hold the rope. I could hear the shouts, and so some people were shouting and saying her to hold the rope, okay? I somehow managed to get hold of the rope and pull myself forward. So somehow she managed to get hold of the rope and now she pulled herself forward. Okay, slowly with some courage, as I already told you the meaning of courage, okay, that is bravery, I reached the river bank. Then now she already arrived the river bank. I felt a special kind of happiness as I came out of the water. When she came out of the water, what happens? She was happy, okay? Happiness on finishing or challenging tasks, okay? So why she was happy? Because whatever the task means work, okay? Whatever the work the instructor has given to us, now she has completed the task, so because of that she is very happy, okay? Now standing on the bank, I was calling out to the others to hold the rope tightly. So now she has completed the task, so now she is standing on the bank. Now she is calling to the others and saying them to hold the rope tightly. I knew that this confidence was a result of facing a challenge with courage. So now she came to know that as a result of facing a challenge with bravery, this confidence was the result of facing a challenge with courage. So thank you. I hope you all are understanding, and we will continue in the next class.